Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting essentials in place, your TV on and your mobile device charged. Make sure both connect to the same Wi-Fi network. This is how they discover each other. Once connected, open the app and check for updates, and then enable casting or the app's pairing mode on the TV. This usually lives in Input, Network, or App Settings. Do this now so the devices can see one another. Without matching networks or updated software, pairing often fails. You now perform the active connection. Open the app and tap Cast, Mirror, or Connect. The app scans the local network and lists available devices. When you see your TV's name, tap it. If the TV displays a PIN, type that into the app immediately. This verifies you own both devices and prevents accidental connections. Once paired, the app often negotiates resolution and audio routing automatically, so make sure your TV shows the app interface before proceeding to playback. You finish by testing playback. Start a video or photo stream and check audio and aspect ratio. Adjust settings in the app or TV if the image looks off. If the TV doesn't appear or stream drops, restart both devices and your router, then toggle Wi-Fi and reopen the app. If a PIN or connection error persists, clear the app cache or reinstall it. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset only the TV network settings before a full factory reset, because that preserves apps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.